Here I am, dragging a citizen down the road. I wonder what my neighbors think sometimes. We're going to look at the Omnibus, but first let's look at the history of these campers. And this thing is over 2 years old. It's been through Maine winters, Maine summers. It's been over 10,000 miles on my truck. So we have an increasing amount of confidence in what we're doing. We have a lot of confidence in what we're doing. There is the 30 amp power supply, the gravity fill for a 20-gallon tank, the city water, and again, these enormous seams. This is an extremely solid thing that is folded composite. It's PVC with 2 inches of insulation. It's got a terrific R value. And you have a toilet, which is a lot easier than pulling this all the way to the dump station and dealing with the terrible black hose, because all you have to do is you pull it out and tip it like this, push the button, and that's just water, and you're done. You can top off the water on this guy right here, and it has its own water supply and it flushes. Here's an example of the composite we use. You can see it's extremely light. It's 2 inches of foam glued between cellular PVC and other materials. Let's look around the back. We have a keypad lock that works on fingerprints too. And we have the vent, the power vent for the bathroom, the porch light, reverse lights. We can put a reverse camera on, and this is the vent for the cabin. So, all that said, let's look inside. So, friends are always a little surprised how big it looks in here. We tried very hard to make use of every little tiny bit of space. As you can see, there's a tremendous amount of space underneath the bed and a very comfortable couch. I've lived in this before, and it's very comfortable. Just sit here, put your TV over there, watch TV. When comes time to make dinner, you've got a sink. This has a 20-gallon fresh water, and you have your stovetop. We chose not to go with propane. Everything in here is 12 volt and 110 volt electrical. The 12 volt is run by a battery pack, which you can see right back there next to the microwave. The great thing about that is you run out of power, you can just charge it up and meantime plug another one of those in. They're not very expensive to provide. A lot of them, they're lithium ion batteries. They do your USB, they do everything else. We've just done these new cubbies. They're very convenient. This is a queen bed going east to west. We have a refrigerator right here. Freezer, refrigerator, really. So there's your freezer. There's your fridge. The air conditioning is there. We've made, as you can see, a big effort not to have anything in the roof of the camper because that's just going to lead to leaks. So the air conditioner ducts out that way. Everything else comes out the sides or the back of the camper. And now let's look at the bathroom. It's a full wet bath with plenty of light in there. So I'm 5'10". I have plenty of space. I have the shower here and a shelf for my stuff. Here is the cassette toilet. It's very convenient. You push this button and it'll fill the bowl with water. Do your business, do that, and you flush. That will work a number of times before you need to empty the cassette. So then if I show you there's this Max Air fan, of course your smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Thanks for watching. This is the original configuration of the Omnibus. It's we're going to start producing them this spring of 2025. Leave a comment or send me a message if you're interested in getting on the list. And if you're interested in checking out more, check out axlecamp.com or get in touch if you're in the Maine area. You can get in touch and have a visit and see this thing in person. Some other nice features are these lights. You can change the color right there, and you can dim them or you can brighten them. It's a lot of configuration. We really agonized over all the little details. I'm sure I've forgotten something. Leave a note if you have any questions. Thanks.